Fresh paint and new carpets can help a home sell faster and for more money, but only if the paint and carpet are just right. When clients ask me, should I paint or install new carpet prior to listing, I almost always say, do it. I'm Pam Harrison with Keller Williams Realty. Here are some great choices for paint colors that buyers love. Sherwin-Williams Silver Point SW7653. Sherwin-Williams Alpaca SW7022. Sherwin-Williams Agreeable Gray SW7029. And you can't go wrong with freshly painted white trim. Buyers love it. You'll yield a higher sales price if you go with carpet that a buyer can enjoy for the next several years. And believe me, buyers can spot cheap carpet. Here are a couple good choices from Home Depot. Cobblestone, trendy treads. And as you can see, we're not talking about white carpet anymore. These are both the gray beige range. Not too gray and not too brown. The intent is to choose something that will go with most buyers' decor. I hope this helps as you prepare your home to sell. If you have any other questions about how to get your home ready, or if you'd like for me to run a market analysis for your home, give me a call. Again, this is Pam Harrison from Keller Williams Realty. You can reach me at 864-921-3709. And you can see more home selling and buying tips on my YouTube channel, as well as my Facebook page. I'm Pam Harrison, Keller Williams Realty. See you on Facebook.